character.
Woke up at 11 o'clock, I ain't got no job, what the hell should I do today? This feel like some I don't give a fuck, oh my god, shut the fuck up, I ain't hearing what you gotta say.
Hey guys, it's Hailey, Sani, and today I'm going to be filming a pamper routine, which is basically my self-care routine when I wake up in the morning and I'm like, today I want to take care of myself. I want to make myself feel good. I feel like it's very easy to get really busy and get caught up in this tornado and kind of lose track of what are your priorities, especially yourself. So every now and then I like to take a day to myself where I just take care of myself, make myself feel good, just an overall feel good, good vibes day. It really does not take very long to take care of yourself, and I feel like if you're not prioritizing yourself, you have your priorities all mixed up. Love for others comes from self-love, and I feel like in order to stimulate that, having a day where you just make yourself feel good and love yourself is definitely gonna get you on track. So whenever I do decide to have one of these days, this is exactly what I do. I'm gonna be sharing my routine with you guys so you have an idea. This video is in collaboration with Nature Lab, so all the shine in my hair right now is thanks to them, and the reason I chose to work with them in this video is because, especially when I'm having days like this, when my goal is to feel good about myself, I also want to feel good about the products that I'm using and incorporating into your routine. And especially considering the history of my hair, I've used quite a little bit of bleach on it. I've kind of highlighted the bottoms throughout the years. So to give my hair a little boost, I used their Repair Trio. And I didn't feel bad about using these products in my hair just because they don't have any harsh chemicals like parabens, sulfate, which is basically the goal of J Beauty, to promote healthy hair without using any harsh chemicals, but also making sure the products are effective. And it's cruelty free, which makes any product literally a million times better. So I'm gonna show you every single detail that makes me feel good throughout the day, like what I eat, my exercise, all the products I use, my shower routine, every little thing. And yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. I personally think that every good day should start off with a healthy, nutrition-packed breakfast, especially since I'm gonna work out after this. I like to energize myself and get some food in me. Here, I just had some eggs with my family's Turkish breakfast. I hit the gym in the morning just so I can get it out of the way and fuel up on endorphins. In this case, I was taking a kickboxing class. Usually I like to take classes, and then I did some floor workouts on my own. I have a bunch of workout routines on my channel. At some point, my channel was basically like a fitness channel, so I'll link a playlist down below. Once I get back from the gym, obviously the first thing I do is hop in the shower. And this is when I start using my Nature Lab Perfect Repair Trio. I'm going to be starting off the cleansing process with the shampoo. I think the clean packaging definitely reflects the no-fuss ingredient aspect of the product. They're plant-derived, so it leaves your scalp very healthy, and it also allows your hair to grow faster. You can find Nature Lab products at Riley Rose, both online and in stores. So after massaging this into my scalp, I rinse off all the shampoo. Hair hack. After you rinse out the shampoo, make sure you squeeze out all the water from your hair so that your conditioner can have easier access to each strand. I'm going to be using the conditioner and applying this to the ends of my hair especially, and I like to use a lot. I honestly am very generous with my conditioner. And I like to leave it on for a couple minutes, so in the meantime I'll just shave my legs, get that out of the way, just giving my hair more time to absorb the conditioner. And since this is a pamper routine, obviously I have to use a hair mask. This isn't something I do all the time, but I honestly should start doing it because it's literally been a life changer ever since I started using this. It's the Repair Mask, and it does as it says. It repairs the damage in your hair and leaves it feeling so soft. Again, I like to leave this on for quite a bit of time, and in the meantime, I'll just exfoliate my legs, and this is basically like a sugar scrub, just helps you get rid of all the dead skin. And recently I've been using exfoliating glove, and I think it does such a better job at, you know, putting the product really into your skin. And look at all that dirt that came out, like incredibly gross, but kind of cool. After around 5 minutes, I'll just wash out the mask and hop on out of the shower. My next stop is my sink, where I'm going to be exfoliating my face. So I just start off by wetting it a little. And the exfoliator I use is the Sugar Face Polish by Fresh. It's literally like the body scrub you use in the shower, except on your face. It helps clean out your pores, get rid of dead skin cells, and basically rids your face of all the gross gunk that builds up throughout the day. Is gunk a word? I don't know. It kind of sounds like I've heard it before though, and I feel like it fits. And especially get into your T-zone, like your nose area, your forehead. There's a lot of stuff there. And then I just wash it all off.
And when I'm finally done in the bathroom, I head over to my vanity area. I take my hair out of the towel that it's been sitting in for the past like 5 or 10 minutes and then brush out my hair. And I use a wide tooth comb, and since we already used a conditioning mask, it's really easy to detangle your hair. Next up, I take out my hair dryer, and I don't completely blow dry my hair, just to the point till it's damp, because I like to refrain from using heat on my hair so I can keep it healthy. This is one of my favorite parts. I like to use the Loving Tan Deluxe Gradual Tan. This isn't like an actual self-tanner mousse. It's literally just like a tinted body lotion. So it's so much easier to work with and just a lot easier to apply. I use the mitt for an even spread, and I'll just do this on my legs, on my arms. I don't have to be like very precise with it because it's not very heavy, like I said. And I like to throw this into my pamper routine so I can feel glowy and tan for the upcoming festival and summer season. The next step might be one of my favorites. These are by the brand Peace Out Puffy Eyes, and they're basically under eye strips that add like this cooling effect, and it gets rid of bags, darkness, and makes you look a lot more vibrant and rested. And then every now and then I'll put on a lip mask. This is kind of like a treat. This is by the brand KNC Beauty, and I don't know, I'm literally obsessed. It makes me look a little funny, but it just makes my lips look a lot more plump, and usually I keep both of these on for 15 minutes. Drum roll, now it's time to hydrate. Once again, I use the Fresh Rose Deep Hydration Cream, and I'll apply a thin layer of this all over my skin because it's kind of like a thick moisturizer. And then skin hack, I like to feed in the product into my face using a face roller, and this also like fastens the blood circulation in your face, and it just makes you look more glowy. And it kind of feels like a massage, and I'm never gonna say no to a massage, you know? If you're really trying to have a spa day, this is like a tool that makes you feel like you're at some kind of professional spa. Now that my hair is pretty much dried, I use the Perfect Shine Oil Mist from NatureLab. Spritz this into my hair. I like that the oil comes in a mist. You don't really have to get your hands that oily. And even though the products leave really high quality results, they're all basically under $16, which I think is amazing.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you tag me in pictures that you take throughout your spa day. I definitely always post the funniest pictures of me with like the weirdest sheet masks and like that lip mask you saw all over my Instagram. So make sure you also follow me on Instagram. I will catch you in my next video. I love you guys so much, all the way to Pluto and back. Bye.